I'm Jack Fine, a managing partner at the Gainesville personal injury law firm Fine, Farkash, and Parlapiano. One of our most interesting cases involved an unfortunate situation on Paynes, Prairie, I-75 in early January. What happened is a weather inversion occurred which pushed fog down onto the roadway, and at the same time there was a brush fire on 441 contributing a lot of smoke. So it's late at night. Drivers can't see. A number of serious accidents occurred. The law enforcement on the scene, the Alachua County Sheriff's Office, closed 441, and they also closed I-75. It was late at night. The officers were trying to save lives. Unfortunately, they were unsuccessful. They were unsuccessful because a higher up law enforcement officer arrived on the scene. He was an FHP lieutenant at the time. And he determined that, hey, let's get this traffic going again. There's no problem here. He ignored a warning from the Florida Fire Service that specifically told FHP that there would be increased smoke on the roadway in the early morning hours. So FHP opens up the roadway, smoke recurs, drivers can't see, and there were collisions and mass fatalities involving large semi-trucks and motor vehicles driven by families just going down the road of I-75, not suspecting that this dangerous weather inversion coupled with a fire essentially cut visibility down to zero. Our law firm was contacted by families of individuals who were killed or injured in this tragic event. Although we were restricted by the Florida Sovereign Immunity Statute, which limited damages to $250,000. In total, for all the deaths, and there were multiple deaths, we took the case. And we pursued the negligent parties. The governor of the state of Florida appointed FDLE, that's the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, to do an investigation because this involved mass fatalities. The FDLE report concluded that FHP, Florida Highway Patrol, was negligent in reopening the roadway under those circumstances and disregarded the warnings. We pursued this case through the trial court, through the appellate courts, up to the Supreme Court of Florida, and back down again to the Florida appellate courts. Although we did not achieve a recovery against the Florida Highway Patrol, we did achieve a recovery against the various trucking companies that were involved in this accident. As a result of our litigation, which lasted for over 10 years, we believe there is improved safety on I-75 due to better signage and more awareness on the part of law enforcement officers. We hope that this information has been helpful to you. If so, we would ask that you consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and following us on social media. Thank you very much.